Avogadro law. In 1811, Avogadro published very interesting result after Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac published his result on 1809. Just after 2 years, under experimental studies of Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro find out interesting results and published the result in 1811 that was based on the volume and the number of particles. That is, Gay-Lussac's law was based only on the volume, while Avogadro law established a relation between volume and number of particles of the gases. Here n is number of particles at given condition of temperature and pressure. Avogadro statement is under same condition or given condition of temperature and pressure, different gases A, B, C, etc. if they contains equal volume, then there have equal number of moles. Equal number of moles or particles. If we take gas A in a container, the condition of temperature and pressure is fixed. Gas B in another container, gas C in another container. If the volume of the container is same for all the gases A, B and C, then their number of particles will also be same at the given condition of temperature and pressure. So what is Avogadro law? Avogadro law states that when two or more than two gases have equal volumes, their number of particles will be same at the given condition of temperature and pressure. Avogadro law, at given condition of temperature and pressure, different gases, if they contains equal volumes, they will also contains equal number of particles. Let's see one real example like H2 plus Cl2 2HCl. One volume of H2 reacts with one volume of chlorine and results two volume of HCl. As per Gay-Lussac's law. But if the number of particles we considered here, V n number of particles, the same volume, therefore same number of particles. If the volume get doubled, number of particles get doubled. Number of particles are based on Avogadro law. So here we can say Avogadro law is actually a modified form of Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law of combining volume represents only volume, but Avogadro law establishes a relation between volume and number of particles of the gases. So as per Avogadro law, at given condition of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of different gases contains equal number of particles. Let's consider next example. Ammonia preparation N2 plus 3H2. Formation of ammonia 2NH3 takes place. One volume of nitrogen, 3 volumes of hydrogen, results 2 volumes of ammonia. This is on the basis of Gay-Lussac's law. If the number of particles are considered, so n moles of nitrogen reacts with 3n moles of hydrogen and results 2n moles of ammonia. It is based on Avogadro law. So we can say in other words, Avogadro law is nothing but modified form of Gay-Lussac's law that establishes a relation between volume and number of particles of gases at given condition of temperature and pressure. Since V is directly proportional to an equal number of volume contains equal number of moles, this is the basic idea for kinetic molecular theory of gases. Kinetic molecular theory of gases, the basic idea V directly proportional to N is established by Avogadro law on the basis of the relation between volume and number of particles of the gases. So this is all about for the Avogadro law. Thank you.